So today, very quick tutorial how to make newborn crown from dried flowers. You will need flower tape, like paper tape, wire. You can use normal classic one, quite thin one, and then wrap it, or just use the flower wire. I ordered this on eBay. I will post all link down below. Measurement tape, some scissors, and of course our flowers. They will come in this kind of box. I ordered two. They were mixed. I will not use that because some of them are quite short, so I unboxed them and then I did that. And second thing what you will do, just measure your wire. If you want adjust your crown later, you will need around 32-33 centimeters long wire and some ribbon. I already cut my wire. I made a loop. I will make another loop here, another loop, and roll. This wire is really soft, so it's super easy. And we have our base now. So when you have your base done, you will start to attach your flowers. I recommend to start with one first. So we have this, we have our base. Place it, not to close this part. We don't have to cover this. Somewhere here. And use your tape, sticky side, like here. And first one is quite hard. We can add more flowers. And add more. Pull your tape, it will hold them better. And add more. I will add this now, and maybe some pink. And wrap again.
Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't,
make sure that they are on one side, so you have this inside, this outside. Don't add too much flour at once. You can always add more if you need, but it's much easier and you will use less flowers and have this volume even when you will add less at one time. So don't add too much. And every few minutes just check, do you like result, how it look. Just remember, this tape is not very sticky, but when you pull it, will hold really well. And if you have any like empty gaps, you can use longer flowers to just cover that.
Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you.
Now I will use this,
I can help you out.
and we are done. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel, leave a comment and thumbs up, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye!